Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm doing episode 21 of the Elemental Log. I am so worried, guys. I'm worried and very excited at the same time. Oh yeah, I was just ramming. But today we are going to the second last chapter in the game. I am really excited for this.
At last.
Oh my god! Bro, this level's cool. I like this level and don't like this level at the same time, to be honest. But Drobot's making his debut in a very long time. So yeah, I like that. Drobot's getting to do this. Getting into this. Because I know from the comments on Crash the Skylanders channel that Drobot is a pretty big fan favorite. I think. Oh great. Of course it's a battle game. And these are some of my least favorite enemies in the game. Perfect. Okay, let's just get this part over with. Can I snipe? No way, I can actually snipe. Boom. Okay, Drobot is fine right now. Drobot stayed. For now. Dun dun dun! Oh my god. Guys, I'm nervous.
Commands to control the war machine's powerful weapon systems.
Okay, guys. Whew, I'm nervous.
Press the main attack button to fire.
Okay. Like, I was gonna play Among Us with my friend Nathan, sponsored this video. Shout out to Nathan. A really good friend of mine, honestly. Boom. Punch you in the next week, baby. Maybe even next month. Hopefully next month. See you in November. Because when I'm filming this, it is October 5th. A week away from Thanksgiving, actually. I'm going to have a good Thanksgiving. I like Thanksgiving. You spend time with your family. It's really nice. Well, who doesn't like to spend time with their family? Like, come on. Okay, no offense, if anybody watching this doesn't like spending time with your family, then beware because I'm about to say something that might offend. If you don't like Thanksgiving, then you are honestly just dumb, to be completely honest. Because, like, it's spending time with family. Who doesn't like it? Like, if you do, like, I'm not telling you have to, but, like, just get to love your parents, okay? Get to love your family, your friends, do whatever. But, yeah. So, Thanksgiving is coming up. I'm going to have a nice turkey dinner for Thanksgiving. It's going to be really nice. And yeah. Oh, we're getting into the vault now. Okay, I didn't even realize because I was talking to you guys. But I like doing these vlogs. Then I like talk to you more, and I like recording too. I like recording so I can socialize with other people. I like socializing. The only problem is I am a very shy person. I don't really like meeting new people. Like, say if there were new people at like a park close by or something that like live in my neighborhood or something, like I wouldn't really want to see them because like I would just be nervous. Like, sure, maybe some people would be nervous. Like I have stage fright at my school a lot when I have to present stuff. Guys, don't mind my grammar. My grammar is terrible. But yeah, so yeah, just tell me in the comments, what are you guys doing for Thanksgiving? I want to know what you guys do. Like, not to be a freaky hobo. I just want to know. I just want to, like, know you guys. I want to get to know you. That's the whole reason why I started a channel. Because I want to get to know other people through the internet. It'd be really nice. Like, I'm shy, but I also love meeting new people. Oh my god, bro, this guy's taking me out. I'm just gonna spam punch him. Yes. Okay, that part's done. I am not the biggest fan of this level. It's just really cool. I love the design of it. And now we are in this part. The eternal magic source, baby.
Skylanders of the air element are stronger.
Like, I knew it was coming soon. I think we all knew it was coming soon, but it's tornadoes time. This is where Crash Lost will win in this lock anyway. That's why I'm not the happiest about this. Oh, why did I have that? Boom. Just destroy tornado. That's all you have to think about. Just destroy. That's all you have to do. All you have to do is destroy. Just destroy. Destroy everybody in your path. I literally only took 1 health. Nope.
Skylanders of the magic element are stronger in the zone.
Wait. I don't think I can actually do that yet. Wait, no, I can! I can switch to spiral unless if it switches to air when I get back down there. Hopefully it doesn't because I'm terrible with tornado. Please don't switch to air, please don't switch to air. Oh my god, I didn't even notice that guy. Well, I just dominated him, I can say that. I tell you what.
Skylanders of the air element are stronger in this zone.
You are kidding. Wait, I'm actually just gonna go up here and see if it switches back to that. No, it doesn't. Tornado. Oh. Wait, I know what I'm gonna do. Boom. Oh, wait. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, I'm just gonna get... I gotta get that food. Then I'm just gonna run, tornado, run. That's all you do.
Skylanders of the magic element are stronger in this zone.
I will just grab this first, thank you. Woo! Oh my god, yes. Please don't switch back to air. Oh my god, Spyro. Oh my god, bro. What the heck? Does it need me to beat those guys first? Bro, I'm gonna lose Spyro. Just get out of there. Then you won't have to suffer. Yes. Oh my god. Yes. It's not gonna. Let's go! Let's go! Yes!
You have succeeded.
Thank you, game. Ooh. Oh my god, no. No. Oh! Wait, you can destroy them? I never knew that. You know what? I'm just gonna get out of there. To be completely honest with you. I tell you what I tell you. I tell you what I tell ya. That's from Jimmy Neutron. Carl Weezer's Best Moments. Please, somebody make that video. Carl Weezer's Best Moments. I think somebody already probably did. Run away, run away.
All switches are now.
Now I can grab the Eternal Magic Source, and I beat this. Let's go. Didn't lose anybody. Still have all 7, guys. Boom. We have 1 episode left. I don't think I'll be able... Wait, will I be able to record it?
Quartermaster.
I won't be able to record it.
Are you ready to take on the evil chaos and rid?
No, not yet.
Okay, I understand. You probably
See you
want to
guys.
build up your strength before going into that evil place. Very wise.
See you guys in my next video.